Hey everyone, Zach here, and today is a good day because you can't hear me. But yeah, we are inside the butterfly farm. Look at butterfly. And they're just everywhere. Like even my mum who I'm with, she's got a butterfly on her head. Shall I show you? Look. Back of her head. Just sitting there, it's been there for the last 5 minutes, it ain't moving. It's still alive, it still keeps moving its wings. And you can probably guess, because these are tropical butterflies, so it's really hot in here. Yeah, we're here at the butterfly farm in Stratford-upon-Avon. Yeah, I haven't moved yet, I'm still in the same place where my last vlog took place. Look, this is everywhere, look at this, look. Look how well they camouflage, look at them. They just camouflage so well, it's quite... Oh, hello, big white one. Oh, it's gone. There's one in my bag, I swear I've got one in my bag. There's one in my bag. Oh. It's going everywhere, butterflies going everywhere. I'm standing by a heat, that's probably something good.
Oh, there's one on all those stuff.
Is there one on my hair now?
No, it's gone.
Oh, it was good. I don't even know why he'd do that. I've got a camera here. I can see my head. You know what I mean? Look, they're everywhere. Look at it. That one there, that one there. It's like the most popular place for butterflies ever. Ooh, they're everywhere. If you look at the camera in a... I will. They always just land on my head. I'll be like, ooh. Probably. Okay, now we're in a completely different room. Look, you can see it, you've got little red ants, just big humongous colony. Look, they're climbing the Great Wall of China. That's quite cool. Are they only in the earth? No, they're not. They're not in the earth. Well, that is quite creepy. There's a couple of dead ones at the top. Ooh. What's in here?
These little ant things.
Oh god, yeah, there was... Yeah, you won't be able to see it. There's something hibernating on the rock by the green leaves. I don't know what it is. It's meant to be some sort of lizard in there, but I can't see it. And if it camouflages, it's doing a really good job of it. I'll tell you that now. Touch.
I touched it.
What's it do?
I don't know. I think it's just... I don't know if it's a scorpion in here, unless it's prey. I can't see the scorpion. Leaf cutter ants. Yeah,
now we are, leaf cutter ants. I don't know how close you can see them.
It's tarantula.
Just look at the tarantula. There's a big humongous spider tarantula. Where? Oh my god, look at that. I'm trying to... I'm hoping you can see that, guys. That is a big spider. It's as big as today is a good day. It's meant to be a South African spider?
Bird-eating spider.
Bird eating.
The birds have eaten it.
Can live up to 25 years. Well, that's quite a scary stat. Oh yeah, I can see it. Can you see it? It's got a grasshopper there, or whatever, and then you got the spider just sitting there. So this one's apparently from Chile or something.
Chilean rose tarantula.
That's the one. Mexican red knee. Anything in here? I think I can see. You got a light? I think it's down there. What's it? Yep, we've got some light now. Look, it's just hiding down there. Maybe that's why Donald Trump hates Mexico, because there's so many spiders. And in here, I think some sort of poisonous fish or something. Oh, they like the camera. Oh, they're camera shy. They're camera shy.
Do they do eat insects?
Eat insects?
And other small animals by shooting them down with water droplets from their mouths.
Do not make sure the flash is off. You take a picture, it'll damage their sight. Just floating. There's just floating leaves, floating little tiny insects, just floating on top of the water. That is weird. Look, can you just see there? Look, it's just dead insects.
Oh my god, they're all above your head. Over 6 foot.
Right, guys, just realised there's been red ants above our heads all these time. I kind of don't actually want to move anywhere else in this room now.
There's some fish over there.
I don't want a red ant falling into my hair.
Assuming they don't.
Wow, that's what you say. Look at them. They're just everywhere. Can you see them carrying the leaves? From there to there, to in there, to over there, and everywhere. But yeah, and the stupid thing is, they're going from safety over there and there to in there where they can die. So that's just... Is that how they feed the fish?
Yeah.
Every once in a while, just give it a little shake. No wonder there's so many red ants in there. And random leaves.
They go down. They go down. Which way they're going? Up there. So they're going down there.
They're going up and down, they're going both ways. Guys, look at that snake. There's two of them. There's two of them, look. One head there, one head up there. I thought it was just one long spider. Snake, sorry. Safety.
It's a rhinoceros rat snake.
A rhinoceros? Well, that's the wrong type of rhino that won't be going extinct anytime soon.
Oh yeah, it's got a little horn on it like a rhino.
You only notice that now?
Well, like
Hey, look at the horn. I don't know if you can see it, guys.
See?
Yeah, because it doesn't sound as fierce. A poison dart frog. Oh, I want to... Where? Oh, look. Oh, the tinies. What's in there?
Supposedly. I can't see him.
Gecko.
Oh, there he is on the wall.
Just sit there,
It
right
actually
up.
doesn't look like he's real.
Can you see it?
Just isn't moving.
He doesn't look real. He looks like something you just put on the wall as decoration.
Yeah, I know. Oh, look, more snakes. More Mexican snake. But that ain't camera shy, is it? Just staring into the space of it. Guys, that's those millipedes are creepy. Too many legs for me. For my liking, way too many legs. Crabs? Oh, hermit crabs. Strawberry hermit crabs.
And a purple pincher.
Purple pincher. Can I see any? Probably hiding. I can't actually see it today.
You look, and you can't
You're
see
like, if you look in here, you're like, where is it? And then you just realise it's right there. You're like, oh, look at it. It looks like a fawn. I think it's a poison one as well. Ooh, look at this.
flower beetle.
Hello. I've got his camera shine. Oh, he just stops moving as soon as you're on. Now you've got a little weird tropical fish tank where you can barely see any of the fish. I'm gonna have to end the vlog soon. I've got a tiny bit of film left. Don't they usually get eaten? Yeah, guys, look at it, little bird. And yeah, we are back in the butterflies. Oh god, they're everywhere. Right in front of me, that thing did. Look at the birds and the butterflies. They sharing. That is cute. Is that my head? Don't know. But anyway, guys, that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video.